Hey guys, John B here with PhoneArena. I'm live here at CES 2018 and I'm doing a quick hands-on look at the Alcatel 5 series phone. This is actually one of 3 brand new smartphone lines that Alcatel will be introducing later at MWC 2018 officially, but the Alcatel 5 sits at the top range of the lineup. In fact, it's meant to compete against most of the flagships out there in the space right now, but at a more affordable price point. And the first thing that strikes me about the phone is its design. It has a premium look and feel. It's constructed out of metal mostly, and I can't say if it is a unibody construction, but it looks very close to it. And the other thing is that it's pretty easy to handle with one hand. It's not as large as some of the other phones out there in the space, so it's very form-fitting. They're also sticking with a very uniform design language going forward with these 3 brand new handset lines. With the Alcatel 5 series, it's going to have an 18:9 screen aspect ratio. I can't tell if it's an OLED display or if it's an IPS LCD, but it looks pretty good and detailed. There are also other premium aspects about the phone. It's going to include things like a face unlock feature, there's a fingerprint sensor in the back, and you can look at the front, there appears to be a dual front-facing camera, which is most likely going to provide a wider field of view. Now, unfortunately, there isn't any concrete specs associated yet with the phone. We'll probably hear more about it as MWC 2018 nears, but for right now, it looks good, it feels good, there's some nice looking qualities about it, but it's going to come down to price point. If it can really be aggressive, it's going to have a good chance and hopefully spread Alcatel's name in the space. So if you guys want to learn more about the Alcatel 5 series, you can check out our website, phonearena.com. This is John V, signing off.